Hello guys, I'm here to show you how you easily can make a few $100, maybe $1,000, 2,000. It's a pretty easy thing for you and it will not take you much time, and yeah, maybe it will take like 1 or 2 hours to start up with, and then you can do the work in about 10 to 15 minutes a day. So let's say you can't develop websites, but you got some talent for finding customers that need websites. So this is you. You can find the customers. Here's the customer. He wants to pay, let's say, $1,000 for a website. So you got all the specs he needs to his website and write it down. Tell him you'll contact him in like 1 or 2 days with more information. And so in these days you're going to a webmaster forum and you'll make a forum post with all the customers specs in, and say you'll pay, let's say, $500 for it. Then there will be a lot of developers that will bid on it and say, hey, I got a lot of years experience to making websites, and show you some of his sample sites, and then you make a deal with him. This is the developer. Then you ask the developer how long will it take, and if you say 7 days, you contact the customer, also your client, to tell him in 7 days the site will be done, and here's the information of my developer. But before you give the information to the developer, you need to get the $1,000. Then you pay 500 to the developer and put them together, so they are mailing together. So you basically are done and have made 500 in profit. It's maybe a little hard to start with, but after some time you find easy methods to know how to find customers. A good way to find customers is Craigslist, and yeah, maybe Facebook and forums, and you can also find local stores and other stores in your country or worldwide, and contact them by email or calling them, asking them if they need a new website or something like that. You can make your own website where you are selling websites. This is your website. On your site you'll have a lot of information about things you can do. Basically you can do anything for it, because if there is a special need for a customer, you just find a developer that can do that. So if you made a site where they can contact you, contact blah blah blah, and you go to the webmaster forum again, make a new post, or you can go to a freelance site and hire a freelancer, maybe get a kind of contract with him, so every time you got a job with WordPress, let's say WordPress, you contact him and he will make it, so he's kinda an employer for you. So you got different methods to contact developers, and you'll never need to write one single line of code by yourself, which is easy. To start with your own website, you can get it done for like $10 for a domain, plus let's say you find a host that hosts your domain for $1 or $2 a month, let's say 2. It's $12 for the first month. So it's pretty simple to start with, and yeah, for it will be $24 for web host and $10 for a domain, which is 34. So it's cheap to start with, and let us say you made between $200 and $1,000 profit every time you get sold a website. So it would be a very profitable job for you, and very easy. You can do it from anywhere in the world where you got a laptop and internet connection. Basically, you can do it with your smartphone if you got one, and use the mail there. So thanks for watching. I will be back later with more advanced methods, maybe, or some other methods to earn money online. This is one of the way I make a living. So yeah, have a nice day and earn some money.